Hey, what's up guys? I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to talk about the cursor. The cursor is here, but we talked about the cursor. Do you remember? We pressed Shift S or we went to object and snap, selection to grid, selection cursor to selected. Yeah, you remember now, isn't it? Yeah. So what we will do, we can click on this and select the cursor from here. I'm pressing left mouse button and I can place it where I want. I can select this one and press Z. I can put it in Z direction or X or Y. I'm pressing Y for Y, X for X axis, Z for Z axis. Okay, so that's it. And I said you can press Shift and right click to put it somewhere else. You see, I talked about this. And Shift C, it will bring back the cursor. Okay, the cursor. Another thing is that if we selected this and we want to move this, select this cube, you can see that our cube is not moving or not selected. Because of what? Because of this. We should change it. Okay, so I'll bring back the 3D cursor. I'll select this and Shift S to make cursor to selected and cursor to selected. You see? But another thing is that I can select the cursor and come to here, open this magnet, snap, it means like a snap, and we can go to the increment. What's increment? Let's press 7 and you see it is snapping to a grid, like it's sticking to a grid. You see, this is snap to increment. What about vertex? The vertex is that we can go to put it into the vertex. You see, vertex. What about the edge? The edge is this part, edge, like this, snapping to the edge. The face, this is the face, and volume. If something volume, it will snap to it. Okay, what about the edge center? Edge center means the center of this edge. This is the edge and the center of it. What about edge perpendicular? We can move this one to here. It will be perpendicular. Okay, so this was it. Yeah, this was today's lecture and see you in the next video. Goodbye.